All right, day 4. Not even gonna start with shit. Look how awesome this is. Oh, yep.
You good?
Yep. Just poured that everywhere. To change a wheel bearing that was sparking while they were driving down the road.
Oh, can we go right here? This is it, right?
Are we supposed to get our picture with that?
Yeah, boy.
Should have dropped that bitch in first and just fucking let it eat.
That old man was just like,
We're going for 3, bitches! Haha! Development since spraying the 100 shot is now we've got some slippage in and out of gear as we roll here on the trying to get on the interstate, so we'll see what happens.
2.7 miles.
Yeah, 151. Damn, dude, look at that fucking apple. Alright, so we're going to try and limp it. We're in 3rd gear at 45 miles an hour on this divided highway. So I think the trans may make it, I don't know, when it's cool. So we may be stopping a whole bunch. We'll see.
Towards the gate, yep. And then loop to the left. Just go in that one and then come back this way. Yeah.
Oh, gotcha. y'all listen. So I'm in the parking lot. We're here at Kicker, obviously. You saw all that stuff inside, 20,000 watt wall. Walk outside, dude's taking pictures of the car. You know, I got to talk to him. So Ryan with Streetcar Chronicles.
Yep.
Started his channel May.
Yeah, May. Yep.
Yeah. So it's badass. We've been watching stuff all week. He messaged me, or we were chatting on a Facebook group or something.
Yeah.
And so obviously we start watching that stuff, you know. And you guys are in the Mercury.
Mustang, 73 Mustang Grande.
Oh.
Yeah.
Grande.
Yeah.
Fancy.
Grande Q code.
Oh man.
Yeah.
I don't know what that means, but I like it.
Yeah. Well,
so,
it just means it tickles your butt when you're driving down the road.
Yes. So here's the deal. Go pause this video. Go sub to them right now. I'll put the link in the comments, okay? Cool?
Yeah, dude, I appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
I try to keep up.
Yeah. All right, man. See you.
Thanks, man.
How cool is that? All right, so we try to use the lift up front, but you've got to turn your time slip in before you can do that. So we're going to change right here on the ground. So put you guys on time lapse and we'll get to it. All right, I mean, we've got a gallon, and then I've got where did I just put the fucking wrench?
We have a gallon too, so.
I did see Justin McMurtry.
Where'd I lay the small wrench?
That Ford Durango. Nick Taylor is here on the mountain car run earlier.
Oh man, that's fucking.
On the track.
I either burned my arm or hit my head each time I mess with this shit. Yep.
You good?
Yep. Just poured that everywhere. Cool. Ugh. You're welcome. Won't be any grass or weeds growing in that son of a bitch. Alright, we'll let that drain for a minute. Okay. Dude. That's a bunch. Trans fluid is changed, filter is changed. We're making sure it's not leaking. Good there. It's we got it in gear or in neutral. So we'll see what it'll do now. Good. That wasn't good. It slipped real hard and then hammered first gear. So that's gonna be our only pass for the night, but we made a pass, and that's what matters. I think it was 54 miles an hour is what we crossed the beams at. So we'll see. I don't know. That's what I'm talking about right here. See, when you get out here at 11:30 at night, you end up with like these total fucking badasses. How'd the car do today? Good. Yeah, hell yeah. It looks good for damn sure.
Yeah, we make it till tomorrow.
Do you hear that shit? I mean, fuck, look, what is this about? It's $2.55 a gallon for 93. No, bitch, goddamn, you know the fucking gas. I mean, is that right? Did you see this? So, it's 1:25 a.m. Steven's fixing to tear this wheel off to change a wheel bearing that was sparking while they were driving down the road. So,
dude, I thought it was reflective the first time, and I was like, dang, that was crazy. And then all of a sudden it was like, I was like, and I was like, oh Jesus.
It said nope.
I thought you were gonna go. I was like,
Here we go. Put you guys on time lapse. Race week shit right here, bud. Dude, so Ryan took the wheel off. This image fell out.
Hey, that'd be easy to change.
You wanted to beat it out.
Dude, we
You almost died.
Literally, like, it's just making noises.